Welcome back. Today I have Disney Villains made for Mayhem Happy Planner box. So this is their newest box that they just came out with, and we're gonna open it up here and take a look inside. Right off we see Dark Dessert, so delightful. Right away I am loving this paper that they have here. Very chic. One bite and all your dreams come true. So here we have the card that comes in, Wild and Wicked, and it tells everything. So it's your spoiler card telling you what everything is in here. And first off, we have a calendar, and it looks like it's a perpetual, maybe. Ambitious mood today, so that's the mood, the day of the month, and then we have notes. So it would be a perpetual calendar because it does not have the month, and you can pick your mood for the day and make any notes that you want to make on this. Very cool. Here we have a bookmark. I love these in my planners because they can mark where I am in the planner, what day it is, especially when you get farther into the year. Very neat. And I believe there's like a protective plastic that you can pull off of these also. Here we have the classic sticker sheets, Villains. So this you would use to decorate your planner. Some very cool stickers there. And okay, this is our pen pouch. Let's see. Very nice. It has pictures of your villains. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but it looks like it's the Evil Queen. Very cool. Here, big plans and evil ideas. So the first one says, she was the fire. She wasn't scared of the fire. She was the fire. And it's the notepad, or a notebook, I guess you would call it. Taking matters into my own tentacles. And the last one is good to be bad. Here you have some filler paper, and that does not fit in your notebook, so I'm guessing it is for your planner. And here's some more filler paper for the planner. So this is the front. Oh, and there's the back of that design. Here's the next design, and the back of that, and then our final design. Or no, it's not our final. The back of that one, and then here's our final design, and the back of that one. And I'm not sure if this is all the same, but we'll take a look here quick. See if we have multiple designs on this one or if they're all the same. Oh, this is a paper pad. And those are all the same. So this is a paper pad you can set on your counter. And here is our planner. Well, and this has more of a cloth feel, where a lot of their planners are the plastic. This has more of a leathery cloth feel to it. And of course we have some evil looking designs there. And it's an undated planner from the looks of it, because we have stickers here to put on our tabs for the month. And again, this planner belongs to Big Plans and Evil Ideas. And it is, this is your whole month, and then your vertical layout. And we have different characters on each page. This one I tried to behave, but I got bored. And again, our month and our layout. It looks like our characters pretty much repeat. And our last page for our month in review has multiple characters there. Have all the wayward souls, your dark little heart's desire. And this one again, she wasn't scared of the fire, she was the fire. Taking matters into my own tentacles. This one is just a design page. Dark deeds are so delightful. It's good to be bad. And here we have the evil queen, I believe. I think it was Maleficent, maybe, or Maleficent. Made for Mayhem. Another day ruined by responsibility. And finally, forgive me for not leaping for joy. So that is our Mayhem box. Let me know in the comments below if you got this box and what you think of it. And I will see you next time. Happy planning, everyone.